Exercise 3E, we're going to draw perpendicular lines to and from a circle. To start with, I'm going to draw a rectangle. S, snap off, 1 point, another point. Right click, go to the circle command, I'll draw a circle. If the circle isn't in the right spot, once you've drawn it, left click on it. This game with S for snap off, just move it to a similar position that I have here. I'll just change to a red line. I will now draw from the corners of the rectangle to the circle. Single line command, E for endpoint, P for perpendicular. Again, E for endpoint and P for perpendicular, E for endpoint, P for perpendicular, and E for endpoint, and again P for perpendicular. I'm just using the single keys on the keyboard, and I also have the multi-snap turned off. Clicking my right mouse button, I can go to my drawing options, and we can see under the drawing tab that enable multi-snap is turned off, so it means that I'm totally using manual commands to use my snap modes. I'll just change to blue now, and this time we will draw from the circle back to the rectangle in the midpoint. So line perpendicular, click on the circle, M for midpoint, and we go to the middle of the line. This is the midpoint of the line, just the letter M. We don't use C for centre. Centre is for circles and polygons. So midpoint, click on the circle, we can stay within the snap command and draw onto the rectangle after we've clicked on the circle. The other thing to remember with this command is that when we do choose it, if I went midpoint to this line here, so I've already clicked on the blue line, click on the angled red line, and we do have the midpoint of the red line, but the new line still stays at right angles to the original line that was selected. So you don't have to be on the line, this is just a reference line, and then you pick wherever else on your drawing you need to.